Everybody, welcome to Goa. Now that I'm here, you can see my car there. Look at how beautiful the surroundings are, and let's go inside our villa. This is the living room. We have a beautiful setting there, the color combination, the couch, and these things are very important. Masks, everything kept out here. Look at how beautiful the living room is with a big TV and beautiful vase. And then as we walk in, this is this beautiful high roof colonial Portuguese style villa. This is the old dining table. When I say old, it's more of an antique. And let me just turn on the lights here. This looks better. And beautifully organized shelves which have eatables. That is the counter I love. And this is the playing stuff, cards, board games, etc. And another sanitizer. Well, after this is a beautiful dining hall that greets us, and there is one room here, and this is it, a work table with a small room with two different beds. We don't use this work table, we used it for a day. Not so comfortable, but table. And this is required when you're in Goa. By small room. Now we'll actually go towards the kitchen. Before we go there, this is the powder room, which has a small toilet and a sink, and this is our actual bathroom with shower setup. And as we come into the kitchen, so many dustbins greet us, and then we have different types of ovens. Finally, this is a beautiful kitchen, and we have a stuffed refrigerator, and all of these are stuffed by us. And after this, we walk out of this kitchen through this door towards this beautiful balcony. Steps, watch it. Okay. And then in this beautiful balcony we have some patio furnitures. We have the washing machine here, and look at how beautiful the surroundings are. So from today onwards, guys, I'll be going out and I'll be vlogging my experience in Goa. We are staying here for a long time, so the beaches I visit, I am planning to make a 1 minute or a 90-second video on the beaches I visit and the places I visit, and I'll be completely putting it on YouTube. So subscribe, follow me on both Instagram and YouTube. I am active on both of them. And if you want to see Goa and experience like you're living here, this is the best channel to follow right now. So follow me, subscribe, and let me know how you felt. Thank you all.